much. Just the 2 bags. Just 2 bags. My car has a permanent French fry smell. Okay, where? Just back here?
Yes.
Okay. I can't see.
Help.
I have so much space. Thank you. Oh my God, my luggage just opened the door. I'm so glad we weren't driving.
It doesn't do it. When you have it in drive.
Oh my God.
Don't worry about it. How are you doing?
Bonjour, mes amis. Oh, sir, the music. I don't want to get a copyright. Oh, merci. So, I know there's a bigger issue here. And I shouldn't even be showing this drink because I'm so disappointed. I know because of what I'm going through right now, small things are seeming big. We're on the road. I am having such a lovely time. I am, when I tell you stretched out, it's ridiculous how much space I have. I'm so happy. Remember, if you all watched my vlog where I went live and I chatted about limiting beliefs and how we all just have like this threshold. Like, we just won't allow ourselves to get past a certain level of happiness. I just sabotaged my happiness right now. I was so happy. Having the time of my life, just so happy. I wanted to get something to eat. I told you all I only had a banana. Stopped at Panera. I just got a kid's meal. I knew I didn't want anything too heavy because I'm just really not hungry and I want to have a nice dinner tonight and I'm just not hungry. So I said, cool, I'll get a kid's meal. A grilled cheese, which I love. I absolutely adore a good grilled fromage. Look what they gave me. Look at this. Baby Chyna has prepared better meals in her plastic Mickey Mouse oven. Like, look at this. I am just so disappointed. I'm so disappointed because one, like, why? Why would you serve that to someone? My meal came to $10. So I spent $10 for this. And I know it's 2 cappuccinos. It's not a big deal, but it is a big deal. And it's such a big deal, especially when I feel that we, for the most part, have to be perfect. Everything that we do, anything we put out has to be perfect, perfect, perfect. But people can just not even align your bread together to make a proper grilled cheese. And then I wanted chips. There's no chips. I don't even think this is the flavor beverage that I ordered. But I'm gonna have to let this go because I want to get back to enjoying myself. And I really was having such a good time, really, really good time. But that sabotage, like I felt myself just really being happy. And I don't know, maybe this isn't self-sabotage. Maybe this is just a crappy sandwich. Maybe I shouldn't be taking responsibility for this. Perhaps I shouldn't be. I don't know. But we're gonna have a great time in Richmond. I am gonna take you all. Oh my God, her dress fell apart. Oh, this was an LV dress? That's why everyone is tagging me. All the whole world knows LV made a dress at Zara quality. I didn't say that. They're talking about Emma Stone. I think this is Emma Stone. Yeah, her dress. I gotta get back happy. I have to find my center. So I think we are about maybe an hour out. It's almost 2 o'clock. Still making good timing. I think today is going to be a pretty chill day. Maybe dinner. Vlogs. I just posted the Delaware vlog. Let's see how that is doing. Asian restaurants. I surely will. Okay, ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis. As I edit this vlog, I am hollering. This poor man, I talked this man's head off. Oh my God. I talked this poor man's head off. And it was just so wild. And then like every 2 seconds, I'm like, all right, let me let you drive. Let me get some work done. And then I would start talking again. It was just so much fun. Like, I'm talking to this man about manifestation, self-sabotage, just everything. And he he listened. Merci beaucoup to my driver. You are definitely a real one. I absolutely enjoyed just not having to drive and the option of working, although I did very little because look, I'm still talking. Like this is just my life. I don't know if mes amis take me serious when I say that I talk to everyone. I have never met a stranger. If you put me in a room with anyone, we're locked in. We are locked in. So I just wanted to do a little voiceover and let's get back to the vlog. Ciao for now. Hold on the hills. I am hoping and praying that I am in focus right now. Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to another travel vlog. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident Francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta. I have a blog, which I really, really want you to subscribe to. On Insta and TikTok, you have to search pour moi because I am not always on your feed. Here we go again. On the road again. I'm so happy. So if you did not check my vlog last week, pause this one, open up a new tab, watch that one, comment, then come back and watch this again. This is my thing. I am really, really leaning into road trips and I am absolutely loving it. If you are new here, again, I feel like I always have to say that in case this is your first time. And if it is, bienvenue. I'm typically in Paris. When I go, I'm in Paris, but life is lifing right now. And I'm just embracing this slowness. Can she speak? And I'm sober. Can you believe that? I am sober right now. Not for long. Yeah, I am just really, really embracing this slow living. I am absolutely loving it. It is going to be very, very chill. If you are used to my Parisian vlogs, it's not going to be that. Because in Paris, I survive off of espressos, cappuccinos, and champagne. I'm chilling. I am chilling. Okay. So you are going to get all of the slow living shots, fire pits, red wine, Jesse in slippers, perhaps a robe. No, I didn't pack my robe. I didn't pack my robe and I thought about it, but then I didn't wash it. Like I have this thing before I put things in my, what is this called? I'm looking at it. And for some reason, I think that looking at it will make me think of the name garment bag. That's it. In my garment bags, everything has to be freshly laundered. I don't know. It's just something about it. And the robe wasn't like offensive, but it just wasn't fresh. And so I didn't want to put it in there. And that's my thing. I absolutely love robes, slippers, champagne, and of course cappuccino. So that's what we're going to get here. I do plan to go out. I want a nice dinner. Like that's my thing now. These are the joys in life that I am just so happy about. Having a really nice glass of wine, a burger, still bleeding to the point that you could possibly resuscitate it, put it back on the field. Like that's my vibe. So if you are vegan or just anti those kind of things, just kind of skip through those shots because I tend to zoom in on the food because it's just that good. I need to run out and get a few products because there is a tub and I feel that I can fit in this tub. If you are new here, and mes amis, vintage mes amis, désolé, you have to forgive this, but I am learning you have to give the backstory because, again, if this is your first time, you don't know these things. I love taking baths, but because of my height, I would have to be like a fetus in most bathtubs. It's like just so hard for me to find a tub that I can fit in. This location has a clawfoot tub. That's one of my dreams. I want a clawfoot tub in my home, but I want a new one where I can make it large enough, but we're going to take what we can have and enjoy it. And with that, I need to scrub it. Like there's cleaning supplies here, but I want to like bleach it out. I have to just remember to open windows because I'm here by myself and I don't want to just pass out with all with all the champagne and chemicals. So yeah, we're going to do that. We will go out to get cleaning supplies. I have champagne. I feel like I should get water or something else. And yeah, so we'll just see where this vlog goes, but it's going to be a vibe. So let's do something. Alrighty, ciao for now. This is the quietest Target I have ever been in. Why am I even going by the clothes, setting myself up? Okay, Mazami, this is my first time in Target since my no shopping. I just saw this sweater I want. You won't get me. I feel like, do they sell wine here in Virginia? I feel like. Now, I love that this Target does not have music playing. Now I am looking for bleach of some sort to clean the tub and the sponge because they have a sponge there, but I think that's kind of gross. I want my own sponge. I want my own sponge. I had no clue how expensive sponges were. This is wild. And I feel like this is wasteful because all I need is one. Let me see. They all come in packs of 3. I just need one sponge. And I just don't like being wasteful. And I know I'm not going to take the sponges home. It's like it's not even a price because I see one that's $1.99, but it's still 2 sponges. Because I was about to start obsessing. I was going to start obsessing about not having one sponge. It doesn't exist, so let it go. Okay, sponges, now let's look for some bleach. What do you all use to clean a tub? I was thinking bleach, but I'm questioning bathroom cleaner that prevents mold and mildew. I don't know what I should get. Okay, let me figure this out and ciao for now. My snacks. What is this? Chocolate glazed donut popcorn? I feel like I need to get this so I won't feel bad for snacking. I don't know where my mic is. I hope you all can hear me. Maybe I should look for the mic. Quick Target haul. So I got 2 bottles of red wine. One is a dark red blend, and then the other is just like a regular red blend. I am always buying toothbrushes. Wherever I travel, I always buy a toothbrush. I guess they're like equivalent to my like shot glasses. Most people get shot glasses when they travel. I get toothbrushes. So some entertainment crackers, olives, sponges, popcorn. The fact that these like flaming hot Cheetos are baked, I just had to. Chocolate chip cookies, because I'm doing all the things that I can't do when I'm at home because I have to share. The cheese and all, I've already put that away. So I considered going out tonight. I feel like I really want to chill. Like this bathtub, I'm going to show you all. The bathtub is just so dope. I just want to take a bath. That's it. So let me hop in the shower, then clean the tub. And then it's time for red wine. Red wine first, hop in the shower, then the tub, then I'll be back. Ciao for now. Chubba Bubbas. Hey, Chubba Bubbas. How are you? I'm looking for the remote so I can pause this movie. Dear me, I have been in full on chill mode. It is almost 7 p.m. and I have not left. I did some recording earlier. I actually went live for almost 2 hours. I recorded a vlog that I was going to post, but the lighting was just so awful. I couldn't get past it. It's just been super chill. The museum stays open late tonight, or if not, I can go to some galleries. But I want to go out, see some art, but definitely have dinner because last night I just ordered takeout, stayed and drank wine, and a dog came in here. You have to check the live. I'm sure I'll tell it again, but a dog. I'm in a cabin in the woods. It's pitch black, the walls are black, and the door just opens. And I shared this in the live as well, how I had just been praying for the ability to remain calm when things happen. And that prayer was more so for human interaction, not for animals. I'm in a good place. And I don't know if that had anything to do with me just being in a calm environment. I wonder if would I had reacted the same if I were in the city. I don't know, but c'est la vie. So I got dressed a long time ago. I haven't even recorded in OOTD. I've been in full on chill mode. Bottle of champagne, loving life. I will go out in a bit. I'm gonna hire a car because of course I'm not driving. And yeah, let's hit the town. And by hit the town, I'm like, let's go see some art and possibly get a burger. I feel like that may be my new thing. Like just getting burgers and recording my reaction wherever I travel because that's what I always do. I love burgers. And on my Delaware vlog, I shared that was the best burger I have ever had. Now I feel like I should be on a quest to see if I can find one better. But just wanted to check in, so I will see you all at some point. Alrighty, ciao for now. If I can get inside. Real wild.
Stay in their homes and off the streets. John's death and Father Morris Rose's silence.
Bonjour, mes amis. I just felt bad sticking around in the museum. I had about 20 more minutes, but I heard the staff folding chairs, and as they were folding chairs, like they were slamming the chairs, making eye contact. No, they weren't making they were not making eye contact. But I just felt bad. Like, I know how it is when you're ready to go home and people are just like leisurely hanging around. So the one of the restaurants that I really wanted to go to, it's booked. So I'm going to just take, it's about a 6-minute walk to check out a possible restaurant. But at this point, I'm totally content with going back to the cabin, ordering takeout, and having another bottle of wine. So we'll see how the night goes. I doubt I'll talk to you all again. You may get a little B-roll footage, but I wanted to officially end the vlog. So merci beaucoup for just sticking around, joining me on my very random excursion. So until the next vlog, ciao for now. And loved it. Absolutely loved it. So I didn't leave until about 7:30 or so. Probably later than that. So got to the museum. It was closing at 9, but they started like slamming the chairs, closing everything. You know, just like closing stuff really loud, like shutting doors and everything. And I'm like, oh, okay, you're ready to go. Yeah. Like looking me in my eyes as they're slamming the chairs. No, but it was really nice. So now there's a restaurant about 6 minutes away. So I'm going to walk there. It's a neighborhood that one of my mes had told me was really dope. So I'm going to check it out, see what's there. And then really, I am totally fine with going back to the cabin. First, getting another bottle of wine, going back to the cabin and chilling. Like, I'm at peace. I'm at peace. Peace.